Hey, everybody. Welcome. Wow, what a day. What a day. What's up, everybody? I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to MyFundedFutures Asia session, the best prop firm out there. How is everybody? Everybody raveling? Everybody good? Let's see here. We got some new people here. Matt Patrick, how are you? Mintash, Manish, I hope I'm saying it right. How is everybody tonight? Markets really looking like they're really going to be slow here. But look at these 30-minute time frames on the index futures. Look like they want to turn up. I just brought this picture up here to show everybody. Bella Trades, how are you? Mr. Salta, how are you? All right. And you can see here, this is the weekly chart. Even if my algorithm reverses to buy and pushes up, look at this negative MACD. There's a ton of overhead resistance here. I would tell you that I think that the market, and then if you look here, you can see on the daily chart, the MACDs. Look at this big gap up here. 1, 2. Look at this 629, 28, 500 handles up. Unbelievable. 500. Yep. Yes, sir. Kayla El Barbaretto, how are you? Hey, everybody. Oscar, what's going on? SCX, what's going on? Vanessa, Bella Trades. I'm doing well, Bella Trades. All right. Really looking like it's going to be slow here tonight. I'm looking for buys on the gold, okay? And I'll tell you why. Look at the 30 and 60-minute time frames on the gold futures. I'm not shorting this. I don't care. You got to look to buy for buys here. Look at these 30-minute time frames and these, oh my God, these 60s. Woof. Oh, Lord. Get in there. Get in there, Bella Trades. I just said it, Kelly. Right there. I think this gold's going to turn up here. I like to buy a little bit lower, though. Chicken Trader, what's going on? Chicken Trader, B-Tree, B-A-Tree. Did you win last night? Well, to flip to 100 tonight, Steven. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm doing well, Bella. All right. So, a lot of people who have been loyal here. Talarain from the sun. Tahalarin from the sun. Okay. 2 cent trading. Danny girl. There you go. Barbie CR. Barbie, did you win last night? 2 cent trading. Nope. Short gold. I just told you I'm looking to buy gold. Andrew. Good job, Andrew. What stock? What stock is this? CWVX? Oh, there goes the gold. If this gold gets down to the probably like the 75.5, 82.5 range, I went one up on the crude call. Absolutely not true. You're 5. I'm 5-0. You're 0-5. Absolutely not true. Oh man. Bob Barker, how are you? Chicken Trader. Rocky Mountain Trades, what's going on? And they're off at Belmont. There it is, the 8 o'clock bell. All right. Wait to see what this gold's going to do here. You tried 20 gold. Linda NQ, did you get it last night, Linda NQ? Steven, the 4-hour in gold holding up. Yeah, most likely. Raish Trades, how are you? Raish Trade. Marzina, how are you? All right. Maybe go wide here on the gold. You can go maybe like 74.5 to 82.5 range. S&P's just got cabooshed. Look at this Micron. Where's this Amazon? Oh my God. I got to short everything tomorrow. Please, God, let them gap up. I'm 5-0. I don't want to hear it. All right. Miss K, how are you, Miss K? Oh, oil just got kabooshed. Where's this oil? The oil was a good. Anybody trading oil here? Yes, when you have, I would say you need to look at the underlying ETFs. Yes, and I'll show you what I mean here if I can. So today, right, this beautiful pullback on the 15-minute. Whoa, what happened to gold? Oh, just penciled. All right. Okay, if you look here, the 15-minute time frames, really great long here, right here, and I'm long oil. Okay. You can scale out of longs here, 79 up to 84, 85 on gold. Let's see here. Well, be careful with the gold range here. Your 15s look like they let's just see if we get one more push up here. Now, gold had a beautiful pattern. I was watching this from my house, and I'm like, this has got to be sold. Look at this 48.10 into the negative MACDs here, right? Into the negative MACD. It's going to be very slow here. No, everybody's burnt out from all these tweets and that and this and that. And we won the war. We didn't win the war. We got boots on the ground. We got no boots on the ground. We're taking the island. We're not taking the island. Okay. Raphael Trades. How are you, brother? How are you? Rawan, Corp Trades. Okay. All right, let's see if this gold can get a push up here. NASDAQ, S&P futures, really just. You got, oh, good job. There goes the gold. I'd be scaling out of longs here. Raphael, good job. Hello, Mrs. Vladimir. How are you? Vlad. VWAP. VWAP's been here a long time. Hey, VWAP. VWAP's, there you go. VWAP, how long have you been here, VWAP? You've been here a while, right? Vanessa. Spectre Trading. How are you, brother? The estimated profit. Mr. Salta. Matt Patrick. Who's been here since the beginning? Can everybody put up who honestly? I mean, look, Apple, congratulations from last night. The gang trading. Who's been here from the beginning? Rick Francis. There you go. VWAP. I know Gary. Mr. Salter, of course. Yep. Pipster. Been here. Rocky Mountain Trades. Okay. I started near the beginning. Khalib. Dave. I do a live stream, Darren, every morning from 8:30 to 4. So if you want a 5-day free trial, just text me. Lean Trading, you've been here from the beginning? Oh, yeah. Get that fucking mic on. All right. Wild Deuces. Mr. 201, I believe, has been here. Okay. Oh, hey, okay, let's see here. Bella, time flies, Bella, right? Bella trades. JP Markets, okay. JP Market profile should give me a call. All right. NASDAQ, let's see what this NASDAQ's going to do. Tyler Trades, how are you? Mr. Salt, have you been here from the beginning? Lone Wolf. Your wife, it's so funny, right?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Okay, there goes the gold getting out. All right. Susu Bear, you've been here a while, right? Susu Bear? Mr. Salta. Gold making new lows here. Gold down 43. The estimated profit. Okay, so I think you got to take some scalp longs here. Again, probably anywhere from the 66.5 to 74.5 range. Oh, I'm sick to my stomach, this micron. Well, I'm not going to sleep tonight. Nick LaSalle. Everybody welcome Nick LaSalle. Oh, my God. Look at Nick. It's crazy. Ian, how are you, Ian? Hope you're doing well, Ian. Uncle Steve says, how are you? Silver cabooshed. Gold, oil. Who thinks oil is going back up to 105, 110? Who thinks that? Who thinks that? Anybody? Right? Candles, Jennifer. It's my own proprietary algorithm. So today, for example, I'll show you a really great pattern. If you look at the S&P futures here, the 30-minute time frame reverse to buy here, boom, right here. And then we caught this beautiful pullback, okay, on the 5-minute. And this is an actual pattern on this bull flag right here. You can see 48s. Is that the one? 48s? Yeah. How come I thought, well, they changed the, where is that? What time is that? That's the one. I thought the low was 48. The low was 48. No? I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. I saw the low at 48. How they change this now? This is crazy. Jason, wasn't the low 48 because you bought lower?
Yep. Yeah. 50.
Right. What?
I bought.
I
See,
saw.
low's
How is
48
this
The
happening?
low's 48.50.
Yeah.
And
And I don't understand how this is.
maybe the contract was changed. No.
No.
At the time. 48.50.
Yeah. 48.50.
Yep.
How's the range determined? Based upon the pattern. Okay, if you long the gold, you can start scaling out above 77 to 79. This is crazy. I know. Anyway, are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
All right. So you live to trade another day. Okay, the Discord link, because we're going to do giveaways now. Denny and I are going to call out the names. We're not doing that no more. That was only for a free trial. Okay? That's only for the raffle. Okay? You understand? The link was only for us to do the raffle, but Denny picks 5 and I pick 5. And these are going to people who have been here, okay? And who are loyal and who've been here. So I have a list of people, okay? I have a list of people. Okay. Are you still with me, Mr. Salter? What happened? Full day pro membership in September? Are you still there? Hey, Zill, how are you, brother? I don't get these S&Ps. I know the low was 48 there. How the hell did they change this? Unless I'm crazy, because the low was 48. I swear to God, I saw it. What's he saying, Nick?
Break clock.
No, now. Mr. Salter, you still with me during the day? Mr. Salter? You should be. Everybody welcome Cray at F Mind. I don't know. Richard Jackson.
Hey, it's crazy because
What?
remember she jumped into early at 53, right?
The link is only because you sign up if you want to be part of the raffle, but we're not doing a raffle. Anybody who wins has to have,
It's at 3 o'clock.
okay, anybody who wins or, okay, has to have a MyFundedFutures account, period. End the story. I don't know. I thought I saw fence 48.
Yeah, it was 3 o'clock.
And a trade, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. All right. Oh my God, this micron. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna go out to my car. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. I'll be what? What?
Gold 74 to the dot.
Yeah. Give me 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 second. All right. Let's see if this gold can get another push up here. Oil getting cabooshed. You guys see this stock called CAR? C-A-R? Anybody see this? This is Avis, a car company. Okay? Are you crazy? Look at this. Are you crazy? I was short this thing. I covered, thank God. I made money in it. You know, not much, but I made money. Look at the gold.
Yeah.
Okay? The short interest, these guys are getting carried out. This is another GME, right? This is another Khalib. Am I saying your name? Do you have a MyFundedFutures account? Okay, look at this stock. Are you crazy? Look at this thing.
Why is they foul?
There's a 50% short interest in this thing. This is another GME.
They're gonna be caboose tomorrow.
What do you think about that zone? No, you cut through it too many times.
Look at the gold. You see why you were taking the longs on the gold, Kelly? Do you see why you took the long, Kelly? Master Freeze. What's up, Mr. Freeze?
Are you just respecting my zones like that?
Anybody get the long on the gold?
I mean,
You can't trade this thing. This thing's an animal. How about SanDisk? The stock is trading 517 10 days ago, and today's Sanford Bernstein says it's going to 1250. Okay, so what happened to 517? Right. Waiting is the best trading skill. You mean patience? Correct. Right. It's one of my 5 keywords. Anna Trading. How are you, Anna Trading? Okay. What is the catalyst? It's just a bunch of people. Gold, call on gold still good? No, it ripped. 74 up to what? 80? No. Somebody wake the NASDAQ up. All right. I'm ready for the weekend, Bella. You have no idea. Tim Chin, you have no idea. Michael, great job, Michael. From Parkland, you got to come visit. I just did a big group. I taught a big Christian church group down in Parkland, 25 students from Parkland, Anna Trading. So text me, we'll talk. Maybe you can come up, 914-500-7484. Okay. Look at this freaking micron. I want to kill myself. All right.
if you killed yourself, the dog's gonna have to drive.
No. He's like a boy, my Andy. He loves his bone. All right. If this gold gets down again one more time, I think I might go, look at this car. Can you imagine being short this thing? This is when people don't sleep at night. Right? Apple, how'd you like the account? Did you do good? Gameplay, full Italy. You only trade the gold. Okay, no problem. The gold. Fly, baby. You trade NASDAQ? NASDAQ was a buy there. I just took the NASDAQ down. That was a nice long on the NASDAQ here. You got the, this NASDAQ keeps hitting 07. Look at this. This gold keeps going here. Let's see if we get a. Oh my God. Look at the NASDAQ on the 30-minute and the 60-minute. Oh my God. When the 60-minute turns up. And look, well, even better yet, look at the S&Ps. When the S&Ps, look at this 60-minute. Mikey Jacques. Oh, what a bull flag. What a bull flag. Yep, I told it to wake up. S&Ps just ran 5. NASDAQ, oh my God, NASDAQ just ran 37 would be 30 points on the NASDAQ. There goes the gold. Wow, shit. You're long?
Yeah.
NASDAQ?
Gold.
Good. But that's a beautiful long on the NASDAQ. I'm hoping we get a pullback, one more pullback. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ? I don't find trailing DD that bad. Whatever you're on, send me a case. I have no idea what you're talking about. I know. What do I think about what? 1 ounce contract? What's that, the SIC? Possibly to work to price more contracts. I don't know. I missed a long too. Went out to the car to get my reading glasses. Where they put them? Should have brought him in. That was stupid of me. Really. You got the long 2-cent trading? Good job. Don't know much about history. Nano silver. That's a SIC, right? I don't know. Let me put the NASDAQ block back up. Very, very quiet. Though I have to tell you, this NASDAQ's, I've been itching on this NASDAQ a lot lately. 609.40. All right, let's see what happens here. King from Kingsland. How are you? Gary B, did you get your account, Gary B? It's not, you got the NASDAQ long, Bob? Good job. That's some bear flag in gold. Be careful. The underlying pips are good job. The underlying ETFs are, I'm sorry, the underlying continuous contracts are still bullish. Still bullish. Okay, on the gold. Okay. And if you know that I know do. The gold long was off of the 30 and 60-minute time frame, catnip sniffer. Okay. What you gotta change that name. Okay, but you gotta change it. Oh, you have the king scalper. You have no idea. I won't sleep tonight. This micron's down 3 off. Oh, Jesus. 10 grand. All right. Next. Vanessa, how are you? Rick Francis, did you ever win a giveaway? Rick Francis? Why is it so slow? Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the S&Ps go. Jesus. Jesus, Lord God. Mrs. Salta, you've been here a long time, right? Mrs. Salta. Divansky, how long have you been here? Asylum Trader, I like that name. Step Penny is hold on. Is Betty, no, is Lucky 7 Mom here tonight? Lucky 7 Mom here tonight? Oh yeah, I have that, absolutely. Oh, I want crude to go back to 120. Oh, please. Angel, how are you? Pop Trade 3R, you've been here? I'm gonna make this. Very slow actually tonight. All right, let's see what's going on here. Fucking thing. Can we shout? I wouldn't do with the 60-minute time frames turning up. Yeah, you can't control it. Pop Trader. It's very, very slow. Smileaways, how are you? We got the PCE number tomorrow, right? Get in there, Tina. Get in there. Is it CPI tomorrow or PPI? Fetterman says Dems can't stand Trump's peace plan. This guy could cure cancer and they wouldn't even, they would hate him. Well, no, because everybody's not sure what to do. Really quiet. Is that where we are? We're up 8%. Let me see if that's right. Yeah, 8%. You understand they don't want the market going down? Do you understand the game's corrupt? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Everybody thought this John Fetterman was nuts. This guy ends up being pretty, pretty on target. I'll tell you that. Do I worry about news events? You can't worry about that. Are you crazy? Where's that from? Are you crazy? It's Forrest Gump. Smileaways, you should come to visit me from California, Smileaways. Anybody new here with like a 5-day free trial, it starts on every Monday. You can text me your full name and email at 914-500-7484. I think this goal is going to be a buy here again, but this time I would go 64.5 to 72.5 range on the gold.
64?
Yeah, because you got to go 8. Okay. Kyle D, you're in Kyle? I think I spoke to you before. Right? Life is like a box of chocolates. You just never know what you're going to get. It's Jose's birthday? Happy birthday, Jose. All right. Again, MyFundedFutures, phenomenal firm. Right? And if you look here, you see the NASDAQ, the 30-minute time frames. Wait till these 60s turn up. Oof, forget about it. Forget about it. How about when he's running in, in the desert and he just stops? He said, man, what's going on? I'm tired. I just want to go home.
That's you every night.
No, not me. I drink a cup of coffee when I go home. I drank a cup of coffee a couple nights ago. Just said, "Are you crazy? You're drinking coffee now?" I went, "I'm straight. Don't put me to sleep. That don't keep me up, right?"
I mean, he is right. Candles are for birthdays.
Yeah, I don't look
And
at
it's Jose's birthday.
Irish coffee. Whose birthday?
It's Jose's birthday.
I know. Where's Jose? Jose, where are you?
And candles are for birthdays.
Giuliani trades. I don't look at candles. I work with the #1 trader in the world. If I ever said, please switch to candles, he'll go like this to me.
So tell him, no way, Jose.
No way, Jose. Hey, Matt Patrick, how are you? Wyatt. Oh, brother. Somebody ring the bell. This is the worst. Right, AJ? It doesn't, right? Candle Jenner, if you want an answer, please text me 914-500-7484. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? David, how are you, David? I drink coffee whenever. I don't drink a lot, though, really. I just sip it, Look at this mic. I'm going to stare at this mic, Ron. Look at this. And Amazon today.
Gold's pushing.
Where, down? Up? You just look, yeah, forget it. I'd cancel the buy range. I am new. Yeah, I know you're new. You're not really new. I know you a long time. All right. If anybody has any questions or anything, I do give out my phone number and I do return every call. Richard Jackson. I don't worry about news events. If you worry about news events, you might as well not get out of bed in the morning. Okay? You can't. Okay? You can't. You can't worry about anything. Okay, so it's like saying, do you worry about when you get out of your house in the morning, get in the car, you're going to worry about getting in a car accident? You can't. Okay, Keith Matthews, what's going on? Right? We're not great friends. You never bought me a dinner. Okay? That's a great friend. You're not a great friend. I know you, but you're not a great friend. I'm only kidding. Who's Lewis? I think I know Lewis. Who is this? It's this. Augusto. You've been here since September? You've been here a while, Augusto. CBD Queen, how are you, CBD Queen? If you got funded, you should want some help, okay? That's what I do during the day. Which indicator do I love the most? My indicator 4, because I can tell which way the markets are going. All right, so I got to travel all the way to Seattle to have dinner. Mr. Freeze. Call me the Freeze. Is the NASDAQ long here? No, I'm looking for a pullback. I know, come to Jupiter. I can't wait to meet you. What? Here. That's it. No more. You eat everything. I'm going some water. Damn, that gold just rallied. Oh, that guy? No, but I know Victor Sparandio. He was one of the biggest S&P traders in the world, if not the biggest. I want to come to Thailand. I really do. And I'm having a Ritz cracker. Oh, there goes the oil. There goes crude. Any of you trade crude? If you could do an account, I think the biggest one's possible. Okay. Richard Jackson, you live in Thailand. A lot of people live in Thailand. I definitely want to visit Thailand this year. I definitely want to go. Whatever time I have, I think I'm going to take a trip to Thailand. I really mean it. I've always wanted to go, and I think I'm just going to do it for 2 weeks. Short crude, yes, if crude gets up there. If crude gets up to the 65, 98, 65 to 99, probably 35, I would look to short the crude. Yeah. Right. Bitcoin pushing up here, the 30s. I'm not shorting that. The 30s and 60s are turning out. Look at this gold. That's why you can't short the gold. I don't know, Louis Porcelino. Okay. It's 7:30 in the morning. Wow. All right, there goes the oil. All right. Oh my God, 29:36, 8:36. Good Lord. You can't look at the NASDAQ. Just ran 40 from 07 to 47. Gold just ran 9. It's 6 in the morning where? 2:36 in the morning. Ocart, opium. It's really quiet. So again, if you look today, right, these 30-minute time frames, using the bigger time frames, I love it when the MACDs are oversold into, I mean, the indicator 3 is oversold into a positive MACD. That's a huge bull flag. I mean, look at that, 25,145. Look at that, ran a 124. There goes. Since I came in here, I told you I'm bullish on S&Ps, gold, NASDAQ, silver. Well, I didn't say silver, but same thing. My funded futures is the best. You're Italy? Oh, what part of Italy? Johnny Fonts? Nope, not yet. Don't let him have them yet, Johnny Fonts. Don't get so crazy on me, Johnny Fonts. Not yet. Is Lucky 7 Mom here? Linda NQ, did you get your account from last night? Linda NQ? Linda NQ? Can't short. I'm half Italian and half Armenian. Yes. No yawning in trading.
Huh?
There's no yawning in trading. Okay? Poor guy can't take it. You're gonna go home, tell your wife you need a vacation. Poor guy, Sergey. Poor guy's watching videos at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning from the bedroom. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Go to sleep. Hendricks, go eat them. Unbelievable. He says, oh, I got no sleep last night. Oh, I'm watching about the scaling in and scaling out video. Oh my God.
Well, because it came here, I didn't watch the.
I want to come to Morocco. That's another place. That's my second place I want to come. Text me. Manuel, nice to meet you, Manuel from Italy. What part of Italy? Tyler Trades, where are you from? Anybody text me your full name and email, I will send you a 5-day free trial. It starts on every Monday. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Pittsburgh, come on, let's go. Get that to Jupiter, Florida. You're from Florida. You're from Morocco too. NQ Futures. Wow. Venice. Oh my God, Trista near Venice. Oh my God. Oh, if I where Morocco or Thailand? Can you imagine me in Thailand? Oh my God. I don't know. I'll never leave probably. Stop eating everything. Hey, stop eating. You said a goodbye, boy. That's my Henny. Anybody see my Henny? Look at my Hendrix. What a good boy. Andrew, you guys see the size of him now, Andrew. He almost ate the guy with the leaf blower today. We were all sitting here. We all jumped. All right. If this gold gets up to 84, I think it's a short. Let's look at the 30. So I'll show you another thing here. If you look at the gold futures here, you see the 60s on the new low here tonight. The MACDs cannot confirm the low in the Asia session. So there's no vacation in trading. No, Carlos, I don't have any funded accounts. All I know is everybody in my SK Trading YouTube, do you guys sign up for MyFundedFutures? Well, if NASDAQ gets up to 25,250 to 80, I'd take a scalp short. And S&Ps get up to the 61 to 66, I would take a scalp short. What time is it? I'm gonna do a raffle in 18 minutes here. Hey, Thomas Taylor, how are you? There's no more sign up. We're just because Luis Barcelino, I never met him. I'd like to meet him. Oh, look at the gold drop. Jesus. A little slow here tonight. What's the high on that gold on the 5 minute? Nice little bear flag. Oh my God, look at it get killed. Look at the gold on the 5 minute. Damn it. What a bear flag. 84. Just dropped 4. I'm 63. How is Lewis? Where does he live? Chicago? If anybody knows him, have him give me a call. Why should we have puts for tomorrow? Yeah, I would cancel the short on the NASDAQ. I want to get pullbacks for longs here. I could teach you if you want to use candles, but it's not. I'll be using bars. You'll use candles. What a Jesus. $6 on the gold. Damn it. I saw the bear flag there. I don't do promo accounts. Vadimas, how are you? The ceasefire isn't going well. Stephen, why doesn't trad I morning? Oh my God. What? Mira? What a short on the gold. You ain't kidding. Damn, $6. This piece, who's he talking to? Who's he making deals with? Right? I don't know who he's making deals with, but hey, baby zombie, congratulations, brother. Where's baby zombie? Let me say congratulations. Where is he? Where's baby zombie? Here. And now, okay, Jesus. Great job, baby zombie. Where is he over here, baby zombie? Andres, is that you? Andres, is that you, baby zombie? There you go. Get in there. This oil's pushing up here. What's this oil look like? It's crude. This crude's going to be a short. If this crude gets above the 70 handle, 98.70 to 99, probably 40, I would short it. NASDAQ just dropped 7. S&Ps just dropped 2. I think we're going down. These 15s are going to roll over. Where's it oversold? On the 30 and 60s? Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it. Wow, it's a dragon tonight, boy. Damn. This is really dragging. Don't know much. Wow, the SEOs got kabooshed. I agree, Catnip. Kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped. Here we go. There goes the NASDAQ. S&Ps. So you're making new highs here, and the MACDs cannot confirm on the continuous contracts. If you look at the NASDAQ here, making new highs right here. What's the daily? Making new highs here. MACDs can, what a bear flag on the 15. Oh my God. There goes gold. There goes. You could look this, cover any shorts here on oil between 60 and 75. Cruise going to 100. All right, under or over 100, Nick. We're going to go all in, double or nothing. Nick, I'm saying under. Okay? Where's Ian? Ian will keep track. Over under 100, Nick. I'm saying under. Under. Anybody think crude under 100? Under, right, Steven? Right? Jennifer? Mr. Salter? Get in there, Bella Trades. Over. Game on. How are you handicapping me? You said you came up with the game just now. I said under, you said over. Right, Schultze? Tell him you're not handicapping me. What's this, the Masters? Vladimir, how are you, brother? Vladimir, give me a call. Anybody new here should give me a call here. Mona Trades. Who thinks oil is going to be 100 at the close? At 10 o'clock. I say under. Vladdy Moses, what's going on? Best program for beginner traders, sktrading.live. I mean, that's what I would do. Yes, you can call me or text me and I'll call you back. Of course. Are you crazy? I was short the gold here, 99, what did I say, 99.70 up to 99.40. I think, here we go. Nick says 100. China in 10 minutes, you're right. What's he doing? Which is better for gold and NASDAQ? I think probably NASDAQ. No. 10 o'clock on the dot. I'll have the 15-second tick data up. All right. In 8 minutes, I'm gonna do a raffle at 10. I'm so slow. I might as well do one. Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer? I may do one like every 20 minutes or so. I don't know. Then he's gonna pick his 5 at 9:55. Oh, ooh, Jennifer. Sure. Uh-oh. Are you okay, Jennifer? This is terrible. All right, I think this NASDAQ get a little bit long in the tooth here. You can look to maybe short this here, 54 to 84 S&Ps. Let's see here. Got to get this oil to drop. NASDAQ just short?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, good.
Short NASDAQ. I'm also short oil.
Where oil at? 70?
Just hit 99.
Yeah. There goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ down bad. Yeah, NASDAQ just dropped 10. S&Ps, if you short at 61, just lower your stops. Kabooshed. Oh, brother. Dave G, if you were with me, you wouldn't have had that short basis, okay? Of course. I look at the IWMs mostly. Okay. Any plans this weekend, Uncle Stevie? Who's Bella Trades? Who's calling me Uncle Stevie? I feel old. No single lot entries. Nope. I'm just gonna chill out, ride my bike. I may go look for a motorcycle. I don't know, go look for a new car. I'm looking to get my Harley again. I want to get a Harley. Custom soft tail, straight pipes. Let's see what they got. I may go to, there's one in Fort Lauderdale. I think there's one up north. I don't know. What do you mean kaboom? Kabooshed on the NASDAQ. It's not hard to predict the markets, not when you have technology and not when you have technical studies that you trust. I would short this oil up to 99, what did I say, 99.40, 70 up to 40. I like that, Tina. All right. In 3 minutes, I'm going to pick a person. All right. Okay. Bella Trades. Gotta get this oil to drop. Gold right back up. S&P's right back up. Gotta get this oil to drop. Hey, Lolly, JC, 5TZ. The VWAP. How are you? It doesn't matter. Gold right back up. You think CPI going to do the markets? Who cares? I really don't. Since November? Okay. I'm going to pick someone tonight, okay, who's been here for a very, very long time. And I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart because he's here all the time. And that is Rick Francis. Rick Francis, congratulations. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. No, you're Rick Francis. Okay, congrats. Jennifer, is he here? Rick Francis. Okay. Rick Francis, congratulations. Okay. You deserve it, my brother. All right. God bless you. All right. Kaboom! Whoa, Nelly. Papa Trump, he's out there again. There you go. NASDAQ, I would short him, take a scalp short, 65. So, oh my God, 70 up to 70, 70 up to 05. S&P 64 up to 72. Look at this gold. You got to short this. What the hell happened? The whole world just dropped. Gold, I was short 89 to 96. Whoa. Oil just got cabooshed. I hope you guys covered your oil. Papa Trump's at it again. Look at the gold drop. How fast you got to be? Yeah. Holy mackerel. NASDAQ, I'd be covering shorts. S&P's, gold. Get in there. Do I think Papa Trump's a madman? No, I respect my president. Absolutely not. Oh, my God. 700 on the gold. Gold, good job. Whoa, Nelly. Remember Keith Jackson? Whoa, Nelly. Rick Francis, congratulations, brother.
Shit, 89 again.
Let's see. I go 89 80 up to 97.80. I would short up there. I hope you guys covered your short on the gold. I mean on the oil. NASDAQ just got cabooshed. You couldn't even speak that fast. Oh my God. What a short. Look at I tell you, when they do that, my jaw drops, right? That was a China opening. That's what that was. What? They I don't know what the hell. Would you trade gold, Steph Fielding? Probably not, because you only got 2 contracts, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh my God. NASDAQ just dropped 20. S&P just dropped 6. Andrew, get in there. Oh no, look at the oil rally, Nick. Oh my God, Nick. If I lose to this, if I lose between the Micron dropping and you're winning the crude trade, I still love you though. I got 58 minutes before my heart stops. All right. Can you imagine if crude's 100 at the end of the night? I won't sleep. I won't sleep.
Oh,
What happened?
I think it's China CPI tonight, right?
Yeah.
China's on Friday.
All right.
Oh, Japan PPI is higher than expected. And
Japan PPI?
and then China's PPI is coming out in 30 minutes.
Gold just got, we short the gold?
Yeah.
I think you got to take a scalp short here on oil, 25 up to even. Yeah. All right. Market structure, bit messy. What's he talking about? Market structure, a bit messy. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Kabooshed. No, I'm not doing that. No. Oh, yeah. What a move. Johnny Fonz, did you got your account a couple of nights ago? Hey, Cortezil. Barbara Beige, good job. Rocky Mountain inflation hot, buy ceasefire fail, buy oil up, buy tariffs, buy. Just buy everything. Good job, Pipster. Good job, Pipster. Look at this gold drop. Oh my God, S&Ps. Iran's leader from Mario declares Strait of Hormuz under new management with warning to U.S. Iran's new supreme leader, AM Ayatollah Mohibabaya Karim. Okay, I call him AMK. So the Strait of Hormuz will be under new management in an announcement on Thursday. The enemy will compensate us for every damage inflicted. He continued. We will in no way relinquish our request and rights, and in the regard to reconsider the entire resistance axis on. Okay, okay. So we got peace. Wonderful. All right, gold, oil dropping. This is such a joke. This is not going to happen. If they think these, well, you know what? I'm going to tell you right now. We're just being lied to. There's no way that this country. Listen, I'm Armenian. Okay, and when we fought the Turks, not I did, but when we did, my heritage, they threw rocks and stones from mountaintops. Right? We had no guns or anything. Right? Hey, JC Codes. Jesus Bravo, good job. Right? So these people, and on all due respect, they're going to fight. Okay, the people who are against America are going to fight to the death. Okay. No, that's not true. You look at 3 time frames and you look at 3 time frames. Oh, it's Iceman. Iceman, just be safe. Where's my IDF guys? All right. Wow, gold right back up. My God. Helpful G. Oh my God, I love my setup. I see the whole world. Why did Palantir get kabooshed today? Anybody know? Man, that stock got beat up bad. Tesla, another one. Finished. Deploying security. You look at this Tesla from today. Guess I'll trade this thing. Mm-hmm. It's not me. It's the surge that comes through. It's not me. It's the surge that comes through. And if you know that I love you. I don't think I would cancel the oil short, but if you're short from before, I cover this oil I should have covered the oil before when it got down to 85. Oh, I need more screens. I pray this Tesla. I think this oil might get one more push up here. If this oil pushes down to the even to 90.75, I would look to buy it against the 5-minute time frame. But I would be covering shorts here between 70 and 90 if you're short. All right, in 4 more minutes, I'm going to pick one more person.
What was that again on the oil?
I would look to buy the oil between the 99 and 99.80. Just raise a little bit. What a short up there. Mm. What? The 15s are going to roll over. So when you got that push up just now to new highs in the NASDAQ, the MACDs are not confirmed on the 15 and 30-minute time frame. This gold is going to go up. MACD is positive, rising ADX on the 5. And I said long oil, I said. All right, in 1 minute, I'm going to announce the winner for the next, okay? I'm going to do one here at 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, and then 10 o'clock. All right. Come on, guys. We got to get the oil. Oh, my God. Look at this oil drop, Nick. All right, 9:15. And the winner is... And the winner is... How much time we got left here? See, when gold pushed up to new highs, the MACDs didn't confirm on the 15 and 30-minute time frames. Ready? You guys ready? Anna Trading, 1977. Anna Trading, 1977. Anna Trading, congratulations. It doesn't matter. Anna Trading, congratulations. Are you here? Anna Trading? Who's touching my mouse? What the heck? Anna Trading? Congratulations, Anna. Who's touching my mouse? It's crazy. Thank you, Jennifer. Anna Trading, congratulations. Okay. Okay. Let me tape this to Denny. Let me see here. Rick Francis was the first one, right? Okay, very quiet here. Look at this oil get kabooshed. I didn't know if Nasdaq's a double blue. Well, it is a double blue, and it's a long. If this Nasdaq gets down to the 55 handle, 55, 25 to 55, S&Ps get down to the 54, 55 to 61. How you can tell right here. Look at the Nasdaq, right? The 5-minute time frame. I was just looking for more of a pullback, though. If you look here, this is the double blue. The 5-minute time frame reverses the buy. It correlates with the 15, 30, and 60. And then you look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. Okay. This oil should get another push up here. But it's Hey, Patrick, where have you been, my brother? Take note. Not Patrick. If anybody new here, okay, Rod, how are you, Rod? Matt Patrick, Mr. Salta, you've been here a while, right? Good Futures. Silver just got kaboomed. Yeah, look at silver. Off the 60-minute time frame. You guys don't talk about silver anymore. Look at 60 on silver. Right here. What a beautiful long. Look at this. 75, 65 on silver. The oversold condition on silver on the 60. Nobody trades silver anymore, right? NQ Futures. I know you're not new. All right. Let's see if this oil can get out of any longs here above 80. Look at the gold go. Oof. No, but not if you trade micros. That's not true. I think Nasdaq should get one more push up. Actually, I would cancel the buy on the Nasdaq and S&Ps. Let's wait.
15 is normal.
Get in there, Pipster. Gold right back down. Look at the oil go. You long the oil?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You didn't buy that? That was a nice pullback. Right here. No? All right. Silver kabooshed. Just dropped 40 cents on silver. Okay, Iceman. Don't get in trouble, Goof Futures. I think this, yeah.
I think
What's-
gold wants it to go back up.
I think gold wants to go up and then down.
Mm.
Mm.
H Texans, NASDAQ short? Not yet. Nope. No, 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 no. All right. In 7 minutes, I'll do one more. Pretty fun, right? Short corn. Why am I going to short corn? Short copper for scalps? Let's look. HG. No, sir. You got a bull flag setting up. Oh, brother. Okay, Iceman. OJ? Let's see what OJ looks like in corn. Orange juice. Who could trade this? It's delayed data anyway. 203. Boom. Wow. That's a big move. Really quiet. Corn. Let's see what corn looks like. Corn. Bear flag.
Buy oil again.
Oh, let me look. Let me see here. Got to see what the crude looks like here. My God, everything dead. 2 minutes. Why I got 2 minutes? 15. 30. No. No. Probably not. No. What is a single low stow? I can't read this. If you trade one contract, who could trade one contract? Intel? It doesn't make a difference because Intel, oh wow, it shut up at the end of the day. 6190. Who's buying Intel? Look at this thing. This Intel, I would not want to be along this Intel. You're $12 above. Look at this. Jesus. What these people know. It's got legs going to 70. Well, I would be shorting the hell out of it. Okay. Let's see here. That's parabolic to me. The same thing with Amazon. You know what? I've been doing this game too long. When they get these aberrations like this is company had bad earnings, and I don't know. Get back in there and sell.
Get back in there at once and sell.
There goes the oil and gold. Let's look at the Qs though. If you want to think about gaps getting filled, look at this one. Boom, 588, and then boom, 558. 8%, right? 8%. move. Get back in there. What was the broker's name? Not Beeks, the other one. Okay, in 3 minutes, I'm going to pick someone. Let's see here. How'd I scare the heck out of you? Look at this. NASDAQ just went from 56 up to 72. Pick a winner. All right. I'm going to pick a winner. And I'm going to pick not Mortimer. The guy who was the broker in the crowd that he kept on screaming to. Look at the S&Ps go. Wow, NASDAQ just ran 20 on that little double blue buy. See, you long?
No.
No. Not Billy Ray Valentine, Duke and Duke. No, the broker that they carried him out. And he had all the cards in his hand. Let's see here. I'm going to go Mr. Salta, 23. Mr. Salta. Are you here, Mr. Salta? Oh, my God. The chat's going crazy. Can't read that fast. Mr. Salta. Is he here, Jennifer? Mr. Salter is here. Thank you, Jennifer. I can't even read that fast. Yes, sir. You know, I said that's the bull flag. Wilson. Where's Wilson? We got to get there. Mr. Salter, congratulations. Thank you, Jennifer. All right, that's 3. Then he's going to pick 5 tonight.
When would you short it?
Probably now. I was short this NASDAQ 80 up to 05. S&Ps 66 to 72. Just keep it tight. Riding Harleys? I love them. Kidding me? Out of street custom soft tail, mandarin orange, chrome, all chromed out. Forget it. It was amazing. Yes, sir. Where's Wilson? It doesn't matter. Okay, wow. I'm gonna get milk tonight. I can have coffee. China PPI 5/10 versus 4/10. 10 wide. Wilson. That was it. Wilson. Anna Trading, congratulations. Vanessa, how are you? Vanessa Bricino? Whoa, what a pretty name. CPI tomorrow up 0.1%. Go wide, meaning if you're short NASDAQ, I call a range 25,281 to 25,310. You go wide every 10. You don't go like you don't go every 2 points on the NASDAQ when you're short. Ugh. Trading upstairs, much better. Of course, they're going to try to push him up. What a long on that 5-minute double blue.
I was bidding 55. I got down there.
I get that at 55 3/4.
Yeah.
What a long on that. So if the Nasdaq hits 55 and 95 3/4, it'll be up 40 off the double blue. You understand that the double blue there, Jason? See how the 5 correlated with the 15, 30, and 60?
I do.
Okay. So if you look at the 3-minute pullback, I will bet you my life. Okay, if you look here, the pullback is off the 3-minute time frame. Watch. I bet you my life. And you see I didn't bring it up. There it is. Boom. Right there.
Yep.
ADX rising, big buying pressure. That's why 50, boom.
Picasso.
That's a Picasso. Yeah, the streak light black. Oh, those were nice. My friend had one. All right. There goes the gold making new highs. Silver right back up. This gold gets up to the 92.5 to probably even and a half or 1.5. I would short it. Got to get the Nasdaq to drop. Oh. If that CPI number comes out tomorrow. And you know he's going to say something to goose the market up tomorrow. Why are they going to short the Nasdaq so hard? Apple, how'd you do with your account today, Apple? Apple, how'd you do with your new account? You could look to cover any gold here between 89 and 93. Let's see if this thing can drop. Am I bullish long term? No. I think the gaps below the market are going to get filled. What did he ask? I don't see what he asked. All right, trading floor. You mean upstairs? No. You prefer my office. Forget the trading floor. Oh. Poor oil. They really do. See if this Nasdaq can drop. What happens?
Gold is relentless.
Cover this gold anywhere between the 90.5 and 95.5 range. This NASDAQ should drop too. A triple Lindy is a buy divergence in a negative trend. Period. Bring back the floor. Absolutely. Those are the old days. Don't never do it though. Come on, gold drop. Who taught me trading? I just had the passion. I just learned on my own. Then I ran into some guys I knew or got to know. Here we go, the gold. Here we go. Come on. NASDAQ. Oh my God, he's drinking half the Atlantic Ocean. Oh my God, Henny. Fill the coolers. What a long on the NASDAQ on that double blue. See that? See the double blue into the positive MACD? The ADX was rising.
Oh, yeah.
That was beautiful. The NASDAQ right here. I was just showing the NASDAQ. This way I was calling the long here. After you get this big push up, this beautiful bull flag right here. Your perfect record. You're going to be in a psychiatric ward when this isn't tonight's over. Look, see this here? Look at this. See, oversold, positive MACD, oversold, rising ADX, oversold, big buying pressure. Okay, that's why you take the long. But I said 55. Look at the low, of course, 55 and 3/4. Right? Okay. Someone's thirsty. Do you hear him, Patrick? He just drank half the ocean. Right, Henny? Where's my Henny? Where my boy? Where my boy? Daddy loves you. Where my boy? Where my boy? Let me take a picture of him. Wait. Ooh, doing it. Come on, gold. Drop another 3. He's loud, right? Sai? He needs a beer. Indicator 40 years ago, different markets. I built my own different strategies, though. Here goes the gold.
There we go.
All right. So I had like about 5 strategies running, and I was so big on one of my strategies, I had to get a congressman to stop me from trading the strategy. True story. Congressman Oxley from Ohio. I was killing it. Oh my God, look at the gold drop. How could you miss the gold by 1 point, Dom? Put him in the bathroom. S&Ps look to cover 66, 67. NASDAQ, you can cover anywhere from the NASDAQ from the, we were 80. You can cover NASDAQ 75 to 80. Put him in the bathroom. Jojo, you're breathing all over me. What kind of story you want to hear? Okay, what time is it? All right. Let's do how many we got so far, Jennifer? Mr. Salter, we got boom. Okay.
This is a bull flag on NASDAQ.
Where? No. Where's it? No, the
I'm so
bull.
short.
This is the bull flag right here. See the post right here? Then the pullback, right?
Okay, good.
Why?
I'm still short.
Good. Okay. Are you guys ready for another one? Are you guys ready for one more? Wow, gold just got kabooshed. All right. Mr. 21. Mr. 21. Mr. 21, Jennifer. Wow, what happened to oil? Oh my God. Mr. 21. Is he here? Congratulations, Mr. 21. Mr. 21, congratulations. Good night, Andrew.
Here we go.
Come on, die, NASDAQ.
That was good.
Who's been here since the beginning? Honestly, okay, and I could tell who's been here since the beginning, because that's what this is about. Okay, and anybody wants a 5-day free trial? Please text me 914-500-7484. The WeWap, you've been here trading corp trades. Oh my God, so many. Oh my God,
Jeez.
it's going crazy.
All right.
Good job, Martin. God bless you, brother.
All right.
Here we go, NASDAQ. Look at the gold.
Oh yeah.
Quarter Quest? You've been here that long?
thought he was in real good.
What happened?
Buying gold at like 90, that was great.
Just now?
Yeah.
That was kind of fast, though. Hey, Zeus, I've seen you around here. Zeus has been here a while. Quarter Quest, you've been here? Do you have a MyFundedFutures account? Quarter Quest? Jose Kenny Nahido? Pop Trader 3R? This market does not want to go down. $44 the Punisher, you have been. But I only get a certain amount, and but I don't forget. Okay. Well, Quarter Quest, you should give me a call. Okay. Oh my God, look at this gold get kabooshed. All right, 10 more minutes. I got one picked already. And the winner is Pop Trade 3R. That's it. He's been here from the beginning of time. Pop Trade 3R, congratulations. That's 5. Get in there. Okay. Congratulations, Pop Trade. Okay. Thank you, Jennifer. Gotta get this NASDAQ to drop. Look at this gold, Patrick Bateman. 99 down to 85. Kabooshed. And I know the next week, Denny and I will get 5 each again. You're very welcome. And there are a lot of people here. I have a list of people. I don't forget. Okay. I don't forget. Corp Trades, Wild Deuces. Okay. I only get 5. There's 500 people. What do you want me to do? Okay. Wild Deuces. Who else has been here a while? Jose Kenny Nahadro. No, I'll take care of you. I have a WhatsApp. 914-500-7484. Bar Harris. Again, you guys should be calling me, texting me. If you want to text me on WhatsApp or regular 914-500-7484. Okay? I think it's wise I would lock in half. Quarter Quest, if you trade live, so you want an account if you've been here at the beginning? I mean, I'll next week. Just let me know. Thanks for the stream, guys. Tyler Trades, Rocky Mountain. I got you on my list. Don't worry. I don't forget. Keith Matthews. Apple got hers. Okay. NASDAQ short, I said look to cover between 75 and 85. Ethan, you've been here a while, right? Kim Capital. Gene P8, how are you? Okay, and again, should be pretty wild tomorrow. We get the CPI number. It's Friday. Trading for keeps. I remember you. I used to do Sunday nights, but I'm pretty shot.
Yeah, it's too much.
What happened? Steve, I don't get yesterday's one account. I don't know. Did I call you yesterday?
Finally.
There you go. It's going to drop.
Yeah. All right.
Bella Trades. All right. Just remind me next week. Banger ZZ. Okay. All right. Just text me. Just text. Wow. What happened? You covered?
Yep. Just in time. Not like last night.
No, this is a tough night.
It was good.
DGen. All right. Again, I want to say thank you to Izzy Lizzie. Congratulations from yesterday.
Push the ball down there.
You bought them? This is the beautiful bull flag. This is when I said to buy the S&Ps at 61. I would buy the S&Ps there at 61. Look at this. 61 on the dot. Boom. 8 points.
See, this is his zone.
You're sure gold from 92. All right, be careful. You're gonna get one more push up on the gold.
Zone right there, though. What's telling you to draw it right there?
All right.
The basic
Again, Monday I'll get Monday and
basing,
The Greenberg?
accumulation, just sideways.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Break structure comes in. Your yes was on 5 minutes.
see the NASDAQ here. Gold did get cabooshed here. I'm so tired. Oh yeah.
I drew mine at, the upper was 53. I thought it was pretty fucking good, if you ask me.
Yeah, I mean,
Where's the Sandus going?
I'm hesitant about it because this move
Yeah.
did break.
I think NASDAQ's gonna roll over here. Yes. You got a bear flag on the 30-minute time frame on NASDAQ. Here, you got a bear flag. Look at the 30-minute bear flag right here on NASDAQ. Okay. Make a new high is non-confirmation. 60-minute, 15-minute. MACDs are non-confirming the highs. I think the NASDAQ's going to get killed.
Okay.
I think the NASDAQ's going to get killed.
Saying that this is
All right.
a
I'm going to just cut the stream a little early tonight. Again, Candle Jenner. All right.
Yes, just like proprietary.
Okay. I'm going to be back again on Monday. So I want to wish all of you have a great weekend. And again, if any of you remember, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Also, if you like to contact me or you want a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, okay, to 914-500-7484. I'm going to watch a couple more minutes. I want to see this NASDAQ hit 80. Okay, Shushin. Nick, no tie. You lost. I said double or nothing. Now you're 0 for 10. Okay. Ian, You better work on your father, Ian. He's 0 for 10. Look at this NASDAQ. Come on. Try to hit 80. Pallet trades.
You would still have to draw.
Rocky Mountain trades. I'll get you next week.
Right?
Rocky Mountain.
So what you're telling me.
Okay. And who else is here? Where do you go? Quarter Quest. If you want one, let me know next week. Okay. 44 The Punisher. Keith Matthews. I'll take care of you next week. Okay. Schultze, you have a MyFundedFutures account? I'll take it. Come on, get this NASDAQ down here. Very quiet. Devansky, you've been here a while? Keith Single, who's this? Rocky Mountain, I got you next week. Okay, AJ, how are you? Ryan Nichols, Gene P. Really quiet though. This NASDAQ, where'd the S&P NASDAQ get down to? 83. Ay, Jesus. Okay, brother. Keith Singleton, remind me next week. Keith Matthews. These are for people with Bella Trades. Yep, Bella, you're in. Okay. Motocross Man, thank you, brother. All right. So with that being said, I want to wish everybody have a great night. God bless. Okay. Be safe. Get home. If you're home, relax. Okay. I want to say thank you to Denny. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you to Jennifer. And thank you all for being here. I'm exhausted. Have a great night. God bless you. And of course, God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.